sécurité maintenant. On va bien, on a encore un peu les mains qui tremblent.
Wczoraj wieczorem
Yesterday evening, a missile hit the village of Droskivka, which I passed while returning from Bakhmut on the 1st of January. It was aimed at a sports hall where humanitarian aid was stored. There, before the explosion, was a logistical centre, and it was from there that humanitarian aid went, among other things, to the residents of Bakhmut, who were tormented by the nightmare of war. In addition, the Russians have renewed their drone attacks. Missiles fell on Nikopol and in the Kherson region. On the front, the Russians launched a very decisive attack north of Bakhmut, near Solidar. The Russians launched an assault on the Ukrainian defence and unfortunately managed to take some ground there. However, this does not threaten to encircle Bakhmut. The defenders of Bakhmut are holding their positions. On Sunday and Monday, bombs rained down on this city, and the artillery shelling is practically unending. However, the people of Ukraine are very happy that temperatures have jumped up, and it is well above zero. As a result, electricity from a great many photovoltaic farms is feeding the power system. Today is the first day when there were no power outages before 2 p.m. from the network. Of course, Ukrainian services are always continuing to repair the damage caused by the attacks 4 days ago. The very important news is that the Russians, announcing the remobilization, have decided to increase this contingent of troops for military operations in Ukraine well above 300,000. As it is known that these 300,000 troops have been mobilized, some of them have gone to the front, and some will go to the front soon. Of course, the actions of the Ukrainian HIMARS are doing their job, not only in Makeyevka, but also in the Kherson region. The HIMARS have hit a grouping of Russian troops where enemy losses are very serious.